Hello, Internet. All right, here is my new to me 1987 BMW K75S. And so far, I have replaced the fuel injectors with new ones cleaned by Mr. Injector. I've replaced the fuel pump and fuel filter so far, and the battery. Forgot about the battery. It's still not running, and it's making some interesting sounds when I try to run it. And I've put a clamp on my clutch so that I can operate the camera while trying to start it. So let me show you what happens. It makes a funny sound. I'm going to turn the key. And then the fuel pump clicks on when I turn the key. I don't think that's supposed to happen, but I'm not sure if it's bad either. And if I crank it over, this happens. So you can hear it's firing a little bit, but I get these clunky sounds coming from down here by the throttle bodies. I'm not sure what that is. I'm going to show you again. Sounds like it's getting ready to fire, but it's just not. Just wanted to know if anyone with any expertise on this bike or any of the other K bikes maybe had a word of advice for why it's not running. And I'm going to put in my Reddit post all the different things I've tried so far. I've tried a bunch of things, but you can read those on the Reddit post. Hey, thanks for watching. Any advice would be great.